In the press and the general public, the prize in economic sciences is often referred to as the Nobel in economics. But this is not the case, because economics was not one of the 5 fields that Alfred Nobel stipulated in his will to be awarded with the prize. The prize was created in 1968, that is 67 years after the first prize was awarded in 1901, by the Central Bank of Sweden making a donation to the Nobel Foundation on the occasion of the bank's 300th anniversary. And this was to establish a new prize in economic science that would honor the memory of Alfred Nobel. And the formal name of that prize is Sweden's Riksbanken Prize in Economic Sciences in the memory of Alfred Nobel. So there you have it. The Nobel Prize in Economics is not a Nobel Prize, although I suppose that the laureates of this prize have never worried too much about this.